We started a new nonprofit. It's called Cagle Rural Reading. Our mission is to increase literacy through technology and predominantly rural areas. Something that's kind of, I guess, near and dear to me in that I grew up in a very rural area. I had difficulty learning to read, and I struggled with it for a long time. And kind of when I really started to read and comprehend well was about the same time that the internet blew up, and I do still yet today a lot of my reading online. So I learned through technology. And so, you know, I think so many times we all talk about how we want to make a difference, we want to change things, but very few of us do anything about it. We thought, what's something that we could do that was near, something that was important to me, and something that, a struggle that I would understand. And so we decided to come up with a nonprofit. We think it's going to be a win-win situation. You know, obviously we're doing some good, and that's the primary objective, but obviously it's got marketing implications for us too. It gets our name out there, and our name's associated with a positive thing. So many things, especially doing personal injury, there's a negative connotation to what we do. People think that, you know, plaintiffs' attorneys and trial lawyers are trying to take, and they want to kill these businesses and everything else. And that's not the truth. And the problem is, as trial attorneys, we've been very bad at getting out our message. We haven't shown the people the good things we do. You can't tell people that you're different and that that's not what you really want, because that's just lip service, and everybody else does that too. And people, the general public's bombarded with that on commercials and everywhere else. If you really want to do something different and you really want to do something good, you know, show them what you're doing good. And that was also another reason why we thought this would be good, and implementation is a piece of technology, and implementation, something hard that people can see, hopefully be fairly visible in their communities. And, you know, it's going to be a plus. I mean, it's something that's going to probably help kids. And as such, you know, we hope to use it as an advantage. We hope to use it as an advantage in that credibility, and that we do care about kids. We do care about communities. And for that reason, again, we're not going to just sit there and say it. I want to be a person that shows people that you do care, and that you are willing to make a difference, and you're willing to give it yourself. If all of us did that, we'd have a lot better world. It's not fair to ask other people to do it all the time. I've been very fortunate, and you know, the successes I've had and as fortunate I've been, it's not because of things I've done. A lot of people have helped me along the way, and they've really made the difference for me. I've had some great teachers and great mentors, and, you know, my family, and those people have helped me along the whole way. And I couldn't ever been successful without those people. If I get a chance to get back and make somebody else successful because of that, then, you know, that would be a great thing. And like I said, at the end of the day, hopefully it helps out my business as well too.